So finally, this is about the dream. Dream means that is which make us not to sleep. This type of dreams have to dream everyone. Ilanti kalalu kanalu evaraina sare. Not the dreams which you are spending time with somebody with your favorites heroes or heroines are not like that. So these are the dreams which make you unable to sleep until fulfill this. This is the goal. So here this is the question here asking that is it essential to dream high? Yes, it is very essential to everybody's life. If there is no goal, what is the use of education? There is no use of education, no? Why? What is the purpose? What is the reason to study? Because if you have the goal, that is the reason. You are something to achieve in your life. That's why you are studying. That's why it is essential to dream high. How can one makes a dream come true? So if you have the dream, such a dream, if you have that, how can you fulfill that? What you have to do to fulfill that? It is here asking that. So you have to think about it and put it into action. Then finally you can achieve. You have to show dedication, determination for everything to that to achieve in your life. So then you will succeed in life. Here one oral activity is there, the speech, the dream of my life and how I am going to achieve it. This is a speech, Nana. So now here, how many you are there? Total 13 participants are there. You everybody have the dream. Dream means it is clear that is your goal and your aim. So you have the dream of my life. You have to say what is your dream in your life and how you are going to achieve it. Suppose here Mangadevi is there. She want to become the collector. So that is her dream. So how can she achieve it? How can she fulfill it? What she can do to achieve that? That she have to tell that as a speech. So here everybody have to write this on a paper. So what is your dream and what you are going to do achieve it. Is it clear, Nana? This is the homework for today. This is homework for today, everyone. So this is a speech which comes in your examination for 10 marks. This oral discourse. So everybody have to write. What is this is the title first you write, and then you start write what is the dream of your life and what you are going to do achieve it in your life. So here in our lesson also one person is there. What his dream finally how he achieved. Let us see through this lesson. This is about true height. True height. Can you say, Sharanya, the meaning of true height? Sharanya.
Teacher.
What is the meaning of true height? Height
Teacher,
means,
can I?
height means what? First of all, tell me. Height means what?
Ettu.
Ettu. True height means? True height means? True means what? Manga, tell me, Nana.
Teacher, I think it's a game.
Game. Oh, true height is the name of the. Are you thinking?
Nijamaina kodugu.
Okay. Jyotish, can you say Jyotish?
So నిజమైన ఎత్తు.
నిజమైన ఎత్తు. Okay. నిజమైన ఎత్తు. What is the నిజమైన ఎత్తు in this lesson? What? Let us see what is that. నిజమైన ఎత్తు అబద్ధమైన ఎత్తులు కూడా ఉంటాయా నాన్న? నిజమైన ఎత్తు అంటే జీవితంలో ఒక స్థాయికి ఎదగడం. దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ హైట్. మనం దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫిజికల్లీ హౌ వి గ్రో దట్ హైట్ అండ్ వెయిట్. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్. When we succeed, that is the true height. Okay, when we succeed in our life, that is the true height. That is the meaning of this title. Let us see who succeeded and who achieved true height in this lesson. Who is that person here? This story talks about the feelings of an athlete. Athlete means, what is the meaning of athlete?
Who the sports who play the sports.
Sports, the person who participate in sports is called as athletes. That means only single, one person. So now in this lesson you are going to learn about only one person. Okay, this story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dream, how he fulfilled his dream. That is the story. Read about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as an prepare to take an ultimate test of his sports career. It is an awe-inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. See this story, how it is the story here telling. nerve-wracking day అంటే ఇలా నరాలు బిగుసుకుపోతాయంట చూస్తే అతను ఆడేటప్పుడు. So we are exciting like that when you are watching the cricket, that only one or two balls only is there to win the India. At that time, how the people are an audience in the stadium and out of the stadium in front of the mobiles, and everybody were exciting. Sometimes some of the people will break the mobiles also and TVs also. Here also like that situations, nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as a pursues us to talk the ultimate test of his sports career. It is an inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. అంటే మనం ఇలా ఊపిరి బిగబట్టుకొని చూస్తామంట, అంత ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ when he participate in the sports. Let us see what is that game he involved, how it is, what happened. Really do we see that breathless means అంటే ఊపిరి బిగబట్టి మనం చూస్తామో లేదు చూద్దాం. So this is he is participated already. It continued, started playing the game. Now his palms were sweating. Sweat means చెమట. His palms అంటే అరిచేతులు నాన్న. His palms were sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. So to hold something to clean that. His palms are sweating, no? That's why he needed a towel to clean that. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst. Quenched his thirst అంటే దాహాన్ని తీర్చడం. Quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. What is his intensity in the events he is participating? What sport he is playing and how he is thinking about that is his intensity. The AstroTurf, this man is a player of AstroTurf. He sat and was as hot as a competition he faced today at the National Junior Olympics. So why he is like that tension, his palms are why sweating, and why he is quenched his thirst with cool water, because he is participating in the National Junior Olympics. He is not participating like you in your school or mandal games or district level. He is participating in the national level. That's why he is like that. He is nervous like that. So today he is facing the National Junior Olympics. The people were set as, the pole. Here see, this game is called pole vaulting. Nana. Pole vault. First the player, here first picture I am showing you, the player athlete comes like this stick, fastly run and come here and keep like this, and he jump over like this. See here, step by step, 1 2 3 4 5, this is 6th one, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So this is the game, how they this is the athlete sport, how he play that. This game, this sport is called as pole vault. Have you seen anytime this pole vault? Javelin throw, shooting, pole vault, these are the different games. Have you seen anybody? Pole vault.
In cartoon.
Okay. Kirtika, mute your audio, Nana. And the pole was set at 17 feet. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. So before he did so many times the height he showed that. So than that, today the pole vault is he is going to jump over the 17 feet height. And Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. The stands were still filled with about 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. So the National Junior Olympics he participated, and the competition was completed 20 minutes before only, 1 hour before only the competition was completed, even though there are 20,000 people stood there and still watching that what happening in, why they are showing that much curiosity towards this game. This is pole vaulting. That is actually in his life, that is a challenging day. The stands were means in stadium. If you observe that arrange the polls, no, no, no. The stands were still filled with 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. 1 hour before the race was ended, even though the people were stood like that only, and they are watching that. The pole vault is truly a glamorous event of any track and field competition. Track and field competitions means these are running, long jump, high jump. These are all the track and field competition. In that, pole vault is a glamorous event. It is when we see that it is appearing very pleasant, glamorous competition. The sportsman combines the grace of gymnast with the strength of bodybuilder. So this this athlete, they can do the gymnastics means, you know, have you seen the gymnastics anytime?
Yes, teacher. In August 15th in our school.
Your school, yes, 10th class brothers did no gymnastics. Okay,
Yes, teacher.
you can use this. Yes, pole vaulting also has the element of flying. Same like that, that is also an element of flying. Here, see the player how he is flying this. This is an element of flying. And the thought of flying as high as a 2-storied building is a merely fantasy to anyone watching such an event. So how much height they can fly? They can fly as high as 2-storied building. 2-storied building means ఒక 2 అంతస్తుల బిల్డింగ్ అంత హైట్ వరకు వాళ్ళు ఎగరగలరు అని. They can fly as high as 2-storied building is a merry fantasy. Fantasy means a dream to anyone watching such an event. అంటే చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళకి ఎంత వండర్ఫుల్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే they can fly that much of height, even the 2-storied building, how much that height. Today it is not only Michael Stone's reality and dream, it is his quest. Quest means his desire, his dream, his thirst, lifelong dream that. Okay, so that is finally how he achieved. Is he succeeded or not? Let us see in this. So let us, I'm going to stop the screen share, we'll discuss about it. Okay, so who is the character in this story? What is his name? Jyotish, tell me, Nana. Unmute your audio. Jyotish, unmute your audio and tell me.
Sir, his name is Michael.
Michael Stone. Not listening. His name is Michael Stone. Okay. What is the sport he is playing here? What is the sport? Name of the sport?
The pole vaulting.
Pole vault. In pole vaulting, what do they do?
These are they hold a stick in their hand and run faster and place it down and jump over the stick.
Yes, they can fly as much as high as they can. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎంత పైకి ఎగరగలిగితే అంత పైకి ఎగురుతారు అనమాట. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఈవెంట్ పోల్ వాల్. హ్యావ్ యూ ట్రైడ్ ఎనీ టైమ్ ఎనీబడి? Pole
No,
vault.
teacher.
It is a fantasy game. When we watch that, we enjoy that. That's why only after completion of game, the still 20,000 audience are there. They stood like that only. Okay, they are in that mood to enjoy the such a event. Is it clear, Nana? Any doubts until what we finished?
No doubts.
No doubts, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay.